It's alright. I was just dying. I've done it before. It's fine. It's not a big deal.
They did put poo-poo where he wanted to put his feet. Yeah.
I guess we're gonna go get fried chicken in Smithville.
Yeah. Really, we're just going to get a biscuit. Fried chicken second.
Okay. A chicken to biscuit.
No. My tummy hurts. It always hurts. Maybe I'm dying. Is there a such thing as tummy dying?
Yeah.
How many needles? Because I can't afford insulin. You okay over there?
It got me in the throat. It's alright. I was just dying. I've done it before. It's fine. It's not a big deal.
I'm sure there's a gag reflex joke in there somewhere.
It's way back there. Shut up. I feel like I have to sneeze.
You ever wonder why you don't sneeze in your sleep?
Why?
I was asking if you ever wondered, not if you know the answer.
Oh, I have actually.
Oh, okay.
Does that
That's
seem weird though? Like,
Because your brain doesn't create the enzymes that cause you to sneeze while you're asleep.
why?
I don't know, probably so you don't sneeze while you're asleep.
Why wouldn't you want to sneeze when you're asleep? Sneezing is good. It gets out all the
Wake
stuff.
you up. You know what's better than getting out the snuff? Being asleep. You ever just want to steal the survey equipment? Like, haha, that's survey guy.
The joke's on you!
You'll never know how far away this is and if it's level.
Yes, I have. Just gave you guys a fresh battery. Don't say I don't treat you right.
Some jackass stapled our chicken bag shut.
Like a jackass.
Like a jackass.
I signed Aaron's card. Boobs. Keys first. Hey guys, when I got here, I realized I forgot my wallet. Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Now my fingers are burnt. I climbed that hill once.
Why?
I don't know.
Some people do things like that. Like, I'm sorry, but if you're one of those people who wants to walk and eat just for the sake of walking, I don't understand you. I never will. You're
Right.
probably... Does this person know what they're doing?
No. Maybe we get to watch them wreck.
I guess it doesn't